There was a time before love na yung nag-away tayo ng matindi, and then I was praying to God na parang, if hindi ikaw para sa akin, kunin ka na niya. Kasi para yung...
Kunin na niya ako.
sorry.
Grabe naman yun.
Sorry. I was already 31 years old when I met him. But before that, I never had a boyfriend. He's my first boyfriend and my last boyfriend. My ex-boyfriend now because he's now my husband. So wow, swerte.
Siyempre, kaming mga mas bata, mas marami ang energy.
After he courted me, then inuwi niya ako sa Pangasinan, and then he introduced me to his families both sides. So parang nakita ko talaga yung sincerity niya that time.
Kaya ako siya kasi inuwi agad. Nakilala ko siya, alam ko siya na yung the one eh. Siya yung ideal girl ko eh. Yung values niya, yung character, siyempre yung looks. Tapos isa din, napaka-smart din kasi niya. Kaya once in a lifetime opportunity lang yung dumarating, di ba? So green up ko na agad yun. Ito na yung ideal girl ko. So kailangan ko nang siguraduhin ka niya.
For me naman siguro, love, what sets you apart, even if we have a 7-year age gap, is because nakita ko talaga na he really has a good heart. He's a government official din sa barangay nila. Nakita ko kung gaano siya nire-respect ng mga tao around him, and then how he treats the people around him. On our first episode, I mentioned that he has a small money lending business, pero I was so shocked to know there's a lot of people around him na napapahiram niya ng money, natutulungan niya, tapos hindi niya sinisingil. They would tell him up front na, "Uy, BJ, meron pa pala akong utang sa'yo, pero hindi ko kinalimutan." Pero siya nakalimutan niya na. So yung values na meron siya, and also my values are actually aligned. And that's the reason why our timeline is really fast. Like after 3 months, we wanted to start a family right away. And after 3 months, it's not just about the thought of having a family. We also thought about starting our own business. Nagkaroon kami ng first investment. And that's because we wanted to be responsible as well with our decision. And after 6 months, we got engaged.
Talagang in-spend namin yung time namin para makilala yung isa't isa. Hindi mo naman na kailangan mag-antay pa ng 3 years, 4 years para ikasal, di ba? Yung sa amin kasi, nag-jive talaga kami. Yung values namin align, tapos...
Compatibility, yung gusto rin namin, parehas.
Even marami kaming pagkakaparehas.
Even how we spend money is the same.
Correct.
Paras kaming kuripot.
Pati sa foods.